Hey everybody, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. Today we're looking at a Taurus TH45. Taurus doesn't make a whole bunch of 45s, but this TH45 has a very good reputation. Polymer frame, hammer fire, double action, single action handgun. It's full size. We're going to talk about it, so let's do it. The Taurus TH45 is a handgun I know a lot about, and that's because I also have the TH10. It's essentially the same handgun, but chambered in 10mm, same MSRP, same size, same barrel length, same everything. The only difference is the caliber chambering. And so that is kind of cool. Nobody thought they would ever come out with a 10mm. They don't have a lot of 45 ACP handguns in their line. They have 1911s. But this TH45 is a double action hammer fired gun, polymer frame, and it is in a caliber that many 45 fans think is often overlooked. But here we have it. What is this? Well, it's ambidextrous. It has a magazine release, a slide stop, and thumb safety on both sides. Nothing to switch out. That is the good thing for lefties because it is completely ambidextrous. The only thing oftentimes you see is with the magazine release, it is tight. It's a tight mag release, but you know, it makes it kind of nice sometimes just to knock that mag out with the button on the right side. It has two 13 round mags. Nice capacity there for a 45. The double action trigger pull, well, it's long and heavy like double action trigger pulls are. However, the single action, not bad. I would guess it to be over 5.5 pounds. Okay, it's not extremely light, but it's a nice handgun. They have a good reputation because they're pretty dang reliable. Not optics ready, okay? The TH line, you're not going to see that. But you will see serrated black in a front dot for your sight picture with the 4¼ inch barrel. Little pick rail right there. And easy disassemble. And you have the 45 that so many people love. So what do they have here? Well, you get this case. And if I can get this case open, you'll see that it ships with 2 mags, a speed loader, and an internal lock. And then it has paperwork back here. Okay, you don't need to see that. But the MSRP is $567.99. And you can see the Fin is really offering some great deals on their handguns. When I have shot the TH10, I noticed it shot a little high, but it's shot consistently a little high from a center aim. I have to believe that the TH10 is similar. I do like the thumb safety. You can carry it like that. When it's down, it'll lock the hammer back as well, or you can carry it cocked and locked. Whatever you want to do. But it disassembles, well, it has the Glock takedown levers, the Glock-like takedown levers, and off comes the slide from the frame. Here we have a dual captive recoil spring and the 4¼ inch barrel. Okay, 45. Some people call it God's caliber. I think they say that because, well, John Moses Browning, big 45 fan, when putting it back together, okay, we'll drop that hammer, this piece has to go down a bit to get it over that hump, and you're good to go. What else did I notice with the TH10? Well, the TH10 took a little bit of a break-in period, but then it became completely reliable. Now, I've also owned the TH9. That was reliable. I haven't had any issues at all. And then the TH45 13 round mags. You get 2 of them and additional back straps to fit your preferred hand style. So who would want this? Well, anybody who loves 45 ACP and they're fans of Taurus. 45 handguns and 10mm handguns are typically more. You have to build them stronger, and these certainly are. They are, but it's not overly priced. You're looking at the mid 400s at the fin, and it's got nice grip texturing. Okay, slight finger grooves in there, full 3-finger contact in 13 rounds, 13 plus 1. That's good capacity with a 45 ACP handgun. Okay, even my CZ97BD has 10 rounds, so 13 rounds, you get 2 mags. Double action, yeah, I could live with it. Single action, not bad. Take up right there, squeeze a little bit, and you're good to go. Are you interested in this? Well, drop a comment, and I would certainly like to know, because I think a lot of Taurus fans out there, this would be right up their alley. Once again, Dan here with Fin Feather for Outfitters. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.